Hey guys, it's Andrea here, and today we'll be doing a second part of Find the Lever. And now Daisy is here. Yay! Yay! Alexia is not here because she's not visiting our place. So I'm sorry. So let's begin.
Let's go. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this.
Okay, let's go. So we need to find the lever right here. This is not a challenge, everybody.
I have a secret.
Give it to me.
This is my diamond. My diamond.
No, we're under.
No.
Okay, but not die. Okay,
Yes.
do not die. We need that secret to find a surprise.
Okay, big. I give you on the well.
How does?
It has a check on it. I give it.
Thank you. So we need 6 of these. We need to find. It's every inch of the spot. It's very little spot. It's maybe This is level 3. I guess I don't know. I just don't remember.
I have a key.
Where? Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Okay, put it on the door. Yay! Now let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to find a secret and then lever.
I have a key again.
I have secrets.
I
Ooh,
have a key again.
this level is so easy.
Yeah.
Let's
I
put
got
it.
this.
Yeah.
And now where is the?
Oh,
God.
do not break the glass. Okay, you will die.
Oh my god, I hate that. I hate this.
I need to park right there. Maybe there's something here. Right here. Oh,
I have a secret.
I found the chair, but it's super hard to get.
Okay,
To
I'm
share.
going to go there. I'm going to go
Wait,
there.
I almost got it. I almost got it.
My turn.
Here you go. I got it.
Here, secret.
Give it to me. Only one
Ta-da.
piece
Get a
we
diamond.
need.
It's a diamond. That's diamond. Let's go. I want to go out. I see the chest in there.
Oh,
There.
so.
Put it.
Hey!
Sorry. Put it there. Let's go.
What's
Oh.
okay? What's that?
It's a lever. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, I hate that. I hate that.
We need
We need to go there.
Oh my God!
This is
You ruined this place. You loser!
You later. God.
You ruined the place,
Oh my god.
and we don't have the.
Oh my god. Cover that.
It's all your fault.
Yeah, that's all. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm just picking some.
This video is super short because of you.
One. They tricked me.
Don't just push levers around. I'm searching for the last secret. Oh my god, it's just the secret was upstairs.
Where's the upstairs?
In the house, and we need go back to that place. This is all your fault.
That's mine.
This is all your fault.
Where are you? I didn't see you. I hate lava.
Oh yeah, I don't have auto jump. I forget always.
I gotta see.
Oh, I have carrots.
Oh no, I'm trapped. Yay.
Oh no, oh no.
I died.
Ah,
I died.
I'm gonna die too.
You know the secret.
Okay, guys. So sorry if this is so short. And it's the fault of her.
No.
It's your fault. It's your fault.
No.
It's your fault. It's
No,
your fault.
no,
It's
no.
your fault. Hey, I can do it. It's your fault.
The lever. Oh.
I put it. It's your fault. It's your fault. Stop it. Stop it.
Your fault. That's your fault. Oh my god, I just killed my artist. I am sorry. Thank you for help.
So guys, sorry for this super short video. So thank you for watching, but I will never see the true ending. And guys, please download this map. So please download this map so you can see the real ending. And please comment down below of what did you saw. Is it like a amazing one or an explosion one? I don't know. Just please tell me what
I'm going to the horse.
what when it enter, I don't know. But guys, please subscribe to my channel and please subscribe to all my friends. It's in the link down below. I know links, but you need to find out yourself. So what channel name are you? What's your channel name, Daisy? What's your channel name, Daisy? Everyone will subscribe.
No.
Why? No
No.
one will subscribe to your channel if no one cares.
No. I didn't want a video.
Oh, you're not going. Okay. So please subscribe to my friend Alexi Chen. And the channel name is also Alexi Chen. Just and please subscribe to her. It has an anime girl. So also
Stop it! Say bye. Say bye. I'm gonna kill you. Bye.
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 Please.